Okay, this is the trading plan for April 25th, 2024. So bigger picture, we had this balance in this breakout, and then we hit 618 retracement and found sellers, and we had this upper balance, and now we have somewhat of a failed breakdown back into the lower balance, and then overnight the market bounced below yesterday's low, and then on some news broke down below this breakout and bias confirming zone. The STF bias is neutral, but the day time frame bias is bearish, and so is the intermediate time frame bias. So there's a little bit of time frame alignment there. This is a nice exhaustion into a bias confirming zone. I'm just going to wait till the open. The gap down is going to be pretty big here, and we'll need to see initiative type activity to continue lower below this bias confirming zone, but then that would just confirm the bearishness again, and then the market can possibly travel across this balance to this bias changing zone and then this bias confirming zone here. And these would be good longs. This is near the range extreme. This is still potentially a good long. There's good exhaustion. See what happens near the open. And then this is initial resistance. This would be initial support. These zones are just sort of for reference. Staying below this prior high over here would be a sign of weakness, and certainly staying below the 53 would be weakness. But getting above here, things would look a little better. This is a bias changing zone. This is a bias confirming zone. So I have this as initial support. I mean, this could be initial support, but these are the important zones. Getting above here, things get a lot more positive in terms of the day time frame, and exhaustion up into either of these zones could potentially be a good short, depending on how it develops. And then breaking above here would be bullish, and then let's see, the range extreme is it's way up at 62, so I still have this as a bias confirming zone, and then this would be bias confirming, so that this would change the intraday to bullish, and then I think this is definitely going to be a bias confirming zone, and then this is good resistance, maybe bias changing zone, but these are the main issue. These are the, if we somehow get above this, there may be some kind of big change in sentiment here, and we could get up into here or here. Exhaustions up here would be good, and then this is the bottom of the prior big balance, so that would be an automatic sell, and then near the range extreme, and then 64 would be an automatic sell too.